Hey guys, welcome to this video. We have WhatsApp flows in beta testing, available for all workspaces, so you can try it out, create a WhatsApp flow directly inside of UChat and use that for some beta testing. Also, feel free to give us feedback about the experience if something is not working properly, because again, this is a beta test and we want to make sure that this is working properly for everyone soon as it goes outside of the beta. The way to use it and to access it is by going towards your chatbot, go towards Contents tab, and from here you will have WhatsApp Flow Beta. From here, you will be able to sync the available flows that you might already have set up inside of your WhatsApp manager, right? Or you can just create a new one. So let's create a new one from scratch. Let's say plus create, give it a name. So let's say lead sign up. Let's go with a category and let's say lead generation. As you can see, we have different kinds of categories: a sign up, a sign in, a appointment booking, lead generation, contact us, customer support, survey, and other, right? For this lead generation, let's go with this category. It will be created, and from here we can get inside the creation process. Now, if you go towards the pencil icon, let's go towards the lead sign up, this one, you can just customize the name and or adjust the categories. To create the flow itself, you can just go towards the edit screen section. From here, you will have your primary screen. So this is the welcome screen, and you can select it to preview by selecting the drop down, then say welcome screen. And this is just a standard welcome screen, which you can fully adjust towards your own liking. So let's say get access to unlimited, well, let's say get unlimited access, right? Because we only have 30 characters, so let's say get unlimited access. Now for the heading, we can adjust it towards our own liking. Let's say premium, and let's go with content, for example. It doesn't really matter for this demo. Once done, we can just press the button as such. Then we can go towards the let's start building things together, and we can adjust that as well. Sign up below to get access to all of our content. You can also choose the style between body content or caption content. Looks a little bit different. You can also make this bold if you so wish. You can also make it italic and even strike through. All right, so that's totally up to you. Once done, just press the button again. From here, we can add an item. So let's say we want to capture some text. And inside this text, let's call this first name. There we go. So let's make this label also unique. So let's just call this first name as well. Input would be text. We have different kinds of input types. As you can see, text, number, email, phone, password, or passcode. For the first name, let's go with the text. And let's just say, enter your first name here. You can then go with the minimum characters, maximum characters if you so wish. And you can also go with the required field. As you can see, then an asterisk sign will be added towards it. Once done, you can just go with another item. Simple as that. Let's go with a last name as well, and we'll make this required as well. Press done, and the last thing that we want to capture is the user's email. Again, going with a text type. So let's call this email. Let's call this email as well, and then we will have the input type of email. From here, let's say enter your email here, and let's make this required as well. Now we are pretty much done. If we say go back, you can also add multiple screens, so you can basically guide the user through your workflows, right? So maybe this is just a page, the welcome screen is maybe a page of just content. They press the button, go towards the next page, and so on. I just create a simple sign up page for this part. Once done, we can say apply. It will make the changes take effect, and then afterwards we're just going to press save. It takes a few seconds to upload your WhatsApp flow towards your own account. Let's press save, and now we will be returned towards the WhatsApp flows overview. So you can also preview how your WhatsApp flow will look like. So if we're just going with the eye icon, which is the preview, it will show a pop-up, as you can see here. And let's enlarge this a little bit. There we go. And let's just preview the flow by pressing it. It will then load up the screen that we just created. You can fill in all our details, as you can see. And then last but not least, let's also go for the email, which will be this one. And then say complete. So inside the flow builder, it works really easy. We just go with the text node, and then for the others tab, on the Omni-Channel at least, and then you will have WhatsApp Cloud, WhatsApp flows. So if we go with this, from here we're going to press edit, and then we can have some headers. It's not really needed. You have a body text. So let's say something like sign up today to claim your free access to our entire library of content. There we go. The bottom text is a call to action basically, and let's say claim access now. Then we're going to select the WhatsApp flow. So let's go with the lead sign up, and then we can also save the payload. Once we captured all the details inside of that WhatsApp flow, we can save the payload towards a JSON field. So let's just go with data for now. And then soon as the WhatsApp flow has been completed, you can assign it towards a new step. And from here, you can continue your logic any way you like to. You can also assign it towards a action node, for example, to capture all the user's details. Or you can just output it really, really simple just to see how it looks like following. So just output it like this, right? Really simple example, but do try out the WhatsApp flow beta. If there are any issues, let us know. If you have any feedback on how to improve it, also, of course, really much welcomed. But for now, try it out. And again, it is in beta, so it's not live for production yet. It's just for you to be able to test, to create the WhatsApp flows, play around with it, and see what kind of great automations you can build with it. For now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.